when you do integration of the six-trig function, it is good to have these 7 formulas in your mind or in your notebook. So the first one is the integral of sine of x. So the integral of sine is equals to negative cosine of x. And then the integral of cosine is equals to sine of x. This is not that hard to memorize. The derivative of sine is cosine, so the integral of cosine is sine. But for the integral of sine, since the derivative of cosine is negative sine, there is no negative in the integrand, so that's why you have to put a negative in front of the cosine. So the integral of tangent, that is ln absolute value secant square x. When it comes to ln, the absolute value is not an optional item because ln 0 is undefined and ln negative is undefined. Let's put this down. So ln 0 is undefined and ln negative is also undefined. Let's take a look at the graph of ln really quick. So this is the y-axis, and then this is the x-axis, x and y, and then we have one x-intercept at 1, 0, and then here is what the function looks like. It goes all the way down. X can never be equal to 0 because when x is equal to 0, there is a vertical asymptote at x equals to 0. So that's why ln 0 is undefined, and then there is nothing in quadrant 2 and quadrant 3, so that's why ln negative is undefined. So we just talk about 3 formulas. What about the secant, cosecant, and cotangent? So for the cosecant, there are 2. So first of all, the first one is ln. So let's go back to the pen, not the highlighter. So the first one is you have ln absolute value of cosecant x minus cotangent x, close the absolute value. When it comes to ln, again, the absolute value is not optional. There is another one that is negative ln absolute value cosecant plus cotangent. And then secant x, so secant x, the integral of secant x is ln absolute value secant x plus tangent x. And then the integral of cotangent, that is ln absolute value of sine x. Alright, so that is the end of this video. It is good to have this formula down on your notebook when you learn integration. So I will see you all in the next video. Signing out for now.